It's the dead of night. Your cat has a perfectly good bed of their own somewhere in the house, and yet here they are, circling your pillow, settling into the curve of your neck, claiming 3/4 of the blanket and leaving you the sliver on the edge. Most owners assume it's about warmth, maybe routine. Maybe they're just feeling extra affectionate tonight, but feline behavioral science tells a far more powerful story. What your cat is doing right now, every single night, is one of the deepest expressions of trust and cross-species attachment that exists on this planet, and most people have no idea. Let's start with the warmth theory, because it sounds logical on the surface. Cats get chilly. You're warm. End of story. But here's the issue. Your cat already knows every heat source in the house. The sunny windowsill, the laptop vent, the fresh laundry pile, the radiator that clicks on at dusk. If temperature was the only draw, they'd have endless better options. So why do they keep choosing you? Because sleep is the most defenseless state any creature can enter. Every ancient instinct wired into your cat's brain, instincts forged over millennia of predator and prey, demands they find a hidden, unreachable spot before they let their guard down completely. And instead, they ignore every safe corner in your home and climb into bed beside a human 10 times their size. That's not about heat. A landmark study in animal cognition showed that cats develop attachment bonds with their owners that function almost exactly like the bonds human infants form with their caregivers. The same drive for closeness, the same quiet anxiety when separated, the same visible calm once reunited. When your cat chooses to sleep beside you, they're displaying the most basic act in attachment science. Turning to their safe person at the moment they're most exposed. They're not being needy, they're telling you without a single sound that you are the safest place in their entire world. And by the way, if your cat ever suddenly stops sleeping with you, don't shrug it off. We'll get to what that actually signals later, and it's something most owners only wish they'd caught sooner. But here's where it gets even deeper, because this isn't just psychology, it's chemistry. Have you ever noticed your cat pressing their head or body firmly against you right before they drift off? That's no random cuddle, it's deliberate. Cats carry scent glands along their cheeks, forehead, and the base of their tail. Every deliberate rub leaves an invisible signature. Yet most owners miss the real part. When your cat sleeps pressed tight against you, they're not only marking you, they're merging your scent with theirs. In the wild, members of the same colony share one collective scent. It's how they instantly recognize family. It's how they silently declare, "This one belongs to us." Night after night, your cat is performing that exact ancient ritual. They're weaving the two of you together so thoroughly that the line between mine and yours disappears. They're telling the world, and reminding themselves, that you are family. That's also why your cat sometimes sniffs you so intensely when you walk back through the door after being out. You smell off. Some of the shared scent has faded, and that bedtime press against you. Part of it is them quietly restoring what went missing. And hey, if this is resonating with you, go ahead and smash that like button and subscribe. It's the best way to help us reach more cat owners who truly want to understand their cats on a deeper level. 3. Your cat has quietly become your protector. Have you ever noticed how particular your cat is about exactly where they settle down next to you? Right by your head, pressed against your back, or curled tightly at your feet. That placement isn't an accident, and it's strategic. Most people never realize this. But even your lap cat still carries the sharp instincts of a wild predator. And those instincts understand one thing above all. When you're asleep, you're vulnerable. In wild cat colonies, they don't simply sleep in piles for warmth. They stand watch. They protect each other during the most dangerous hours. That ancient survival code is still alive in your cat. No matter how domesticated they seem, they haven't forgotten it. If they face the doorway, they're monitoring the entrance. If they sleep near your head, they're guarding what they see as your weakest point. They know they're tiny compared to the world. They simply don't care. Their wiring tells them, this person belongs to me, and I will keep them safe. They probably won't fight off any real intruder, but every night in their mind, they've accepted the post and reported for duty. 4. Every single sleep position is sending you a message. The way your cat arranges their body while sleeping beside you reveals exactly how secure they feel. Start with the tight curl. Body rolled up, paws tucked, belly shielded. This is a cat who trusts you enough to sleep close, but still feels the need to protect their vital organs. It's genuine trust. With a remaining edge of caution, Now look at the full sprawl. Legs extended, belly completely exposed, sometimes even flipped upside down. This is the ultimate surrender. A cat showing their stomach is telling you they believe without any doubt that nothing bad can happen to them here. Every defensive instinct has been turned off. They feel completely safe with you. Then there's the back-turned position. Some cat owners take this personally. Don't. In the feline world, turning your back on someone isn't rejection. It's the deepest form of trust there is. It means they don't feel the need to keep you in their line of sight. Every survival instinct they inherited from their wild ancestors tells them to stay alert, to watch for danger. When your cat chooses to face away from you at night, they're saying the same thing they can't put into words. I am completely safe with you. And then there's the full contact press. When your cat wedges themselves right up against you, sometimes in spaces that look physically impossible, that's not just cuddling. That's the strongest declaration a cat can make. Zero space, zero distance. They want their heartbeat next to yours. They want every inch of their body telling the same story. You are mine, and I am yours. That's not clinginess. That's devotion written in muscle and breath. Now here's something most owners never stop to question. Have you ever noticed how your cat seems to magically wake up when you do and settle down when you finally turn out the lights? That's no accident. Cats are wired to be crepuscular, most active at dawn and dusk, the ancient hunting hours baked into their biology over thousands of generations. Their internal clock should be completely out of sync with a human schedule. But something remarkable happens in deeply bonded cats. They override their own evolutionary programming. Research on domestic cats has shown that when they live closely with people they trust, they gradually reshape their entire sleep-wake cycle to match their owner's rhythm. They stay awake longer during the day. They sleep more soundly through the night. Not because it's natural for them, because it's when you're there. Think about what that actually means. Your cat's ancient biological clock shaped across millennia gets quietly rewritten just so they can share more of their life with you. That's why they appear at the door the second you get home, why they somehow know your alarm is about to go off. They've studied your rhythm the way only someone who loves you would, and they chose to sync themselves to it. Even deeper than that, they feel your stress before you do. Ever had one of those days where everything went wrong and suddenly your cat won't leave your side? They sensed it long before you said a single word. Cats who are truly bonded become almost eerily attuned to the people they love. They read the tiniest shifts in your posture, your breathing, even the subtle changes in your scent when cortisol spikes. They don't understand the reason, but they know something isn't right. This is why some cats turn into living shadows when their person is sick, anxious, or grieving. They're not just being sweet. They're responding to signals you're broadcasting without even realizing it. And sleeping beside you night after night gives them a front row seat to everything. Your heart rate, your restlessness, the exact rhythm of your breathing. Over time, they learn your normal so well that the moment anything changes, they notice. Which brings us to the part every cat owner needs to hear. What does it mean when a cat who has slept beside you for months, sometimes years, suddenly stops? Don't brush it off. Cats are creatures of habit. When they break a pattern this big, they're sending a message they can't deliver any other way. Sometimes it's physical, pain, illness, or discomfort that makes them want to hide the way their ancestors did to stay safe from predators. An older cat who suddenly wants solitude deserves a vet check, no question. Sometimes it's environmental, a new person, a new pet, a shift in the household that feels enormous to them, even if it seems small to you. And sometimes it's emotional. If something startled them in that room, or tension happened there, they may pull back to protect the fragile trust they built. The important thing is this: your cat once chose to sleep with you because you were their safest place on earth. If that choice changes, they're not being difficult, they're communicating. So listen, watch, and if you need to, gently help them remember that safety is still right there beside you. Because that nightly ritual was never small to them, and it should never be small to you either.